Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is 𝗦𝗢𝗖𝗓. If you are new here, in this video we just gonna do something super simple. I'm actually gonna time this because this makeup look is like on the go, like you just need something really quick because I plan on filming more content for you guys. So therefore I need to do a little makeup look and I don't want nothing heavy. I'm not even gonna use foundation. I'm literally just going to up my look because right now we're looking really plain, right? Not bad, but I mean, I can get by. You know, we're gonna do a look that's gonna be fitting. So if you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and let's jump into this little quick tutorial. I'm gonna list everything. We're just, you guys ain't, trust me, when y'all see this, I'm like, that's it. That's all you using, girl? Yes, that's all you need. A little bit go a long way. A little bit can look like a lot. You feel me? So let's do it. So I came in just a little bit closer. Just a little bit closer. Ooh, let me go wet my sponge. Oh no, it's still damp. This will work, but let me go wet this. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do it. So for starters, oh, let me set my timer. Hold on, y'all, because we gonna, you know, we gotta see how much time. This usually takes me 10 to 15 minutes when I'm rushing, but because I'm sitting here in front of this camera, it's probably gonna take a little more seconds. But we're gonna time this baby. Where you at? Okay. We already started. I'm a 4 seconds in. So anyway, I'm gonna go in with the Brow Lift by e.l.f. This will really stick down the brows. Another good alternative is the ABH or even the Essence. Like normally I will pull for these right here, but I'm gonna pull for this because I really want my brows to kind of like, they give a different look. Like the gel ones just hold them in place. The e.l.f. really lays them out. So to do that, I'm gonna use my brow spoolie. This is by Real Techniques. It's an angled brow. It has like, you can actually draw in right here. It has an angled brush right here and then the spoolie. I usually just use the spoolie to brush them up. And like, that's literally it. But this comes in a kit, right? So where's the kit? Here we go. Actually, I could have just used this. Scratch that. This one, the kit that it comes in, this one is the RT605. So Real Technique 605 Precision Spoolie. I just brush up because this has a spoolie at the end. And then I'm going to take this flat side and get a little bit out. Like literally, it's so little. And then I'm going to go ahead and just smash that on there. And like I say, my brows, I usually fill them in, but when I'm doing something quick, like I literally just, they're full enough for me just to like shape them. And then if there is some gaps based on like if I got them arched and they took too much, then that's when I'll like fill them in. But for the most part, I have like decent amount of hair, so I don't necessarily need to fill them in when I'm doing something quick. And then like, of course, we want to look natural, right? So after I put that pomade on, I just shape them and then I bring it over the top. So yeah, just like that. Literally, you can smash it down just a little bit more if you like that look to kind of be more defined. And like, I have a couple curly ones, they can definitely use some scissors. We ain't got time for that. This is supposed to be a quick look, so I'm gonna do the same for the other side. And then I'll just smash them just a little bit. And I'm seeing like empty spaces where I could fill in, but mind you, this is supposed to be a quick look, so I don't want to add more to what I need to do. And this wouldn't show if I used the gel one. The gel one doesn't necessarily lay them flat, it just puts them in place. This one is laying the hairs flat. So if you have curly hairs and you really want to avoid them curling up, because the gel, to me, like you would have to hold the gel down with something. And like I said, the gel one, if you have straight hairs, the gel ones, the gel liquid ones that I just showed y'all are actually really good for that. I'm doing too much talking. I talk too much. I'm doing too much talking because I'm trying to make this as quick as possible. Okay, moving on. The brows are done. They're just literally brushed up, flattened out. Next, I go in with my Bright Eye, what is it, Bright Future. This is in the shade 13. This is Caramel. 𝗦𝗛𝗢𝗗𝗗𝗡𝗚. So good. Like, if you're about my shade, so good. Like, my favorite is NARS. What is that? NARS. They have one that's NARS Caramel. And that's that's a little more of a splurge, and that's really good too. But this one is just so good. Like, look at that. You barely can see it, and then wait till I blend it out. I love this serum-y. It gives just the right amount of coverage. You can always go in underneath this with like a color corrector if you need it. And then like for these little bitty small somethings, I just take the rest of it and just go like that, literally. And then we're gonna blend it out. And like, I use this as a corrector, so it's not gonna brighten my under eye. It's literally just correcting it. Then I'm gonna take a damp sponge. Don't come for me. This is not dirty. Well, it is dirty, but I used it once. Okay, so I have so many sponges, but I wanted to use this one again because yesterday it looked so good and flawless. So I'm gonna use this sponge, my second time using it, and we're gonna go in and look how that just blended out. Let me get closer. Girl, this, I love this. I actually like this one more than the NARS one because it's so natural. Like, it just, you know, it just blends out and you don't see nothing. It's so smooth. This concealer is the shh. The NARS one is the shh too, but it's more like on a splurge type of deal because I feel like these are similar. And then like, definitely when they're so similar and there's a price difference, you know, I mean, come on. I think it's like a $10 price difference, but don't get me wrong, the NARS one is really nice, and I use caramel in that one. And then when I want a brighter under eye, I kind of go for praline. That's a really good one for my complexion, but I'm gonna show y'all a little trick coming up. Okay, so we already have everything nice and blended out. I want to hurry up and set this. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty pound cake to set this. Y'all, if y'all don't know about taking that sifter off, because I can't stand that little, look at that. I took off the top thing so I can get to the powder. Bomb, that's the best thing I could have did. And it's not even messy. Like, it seals really good, so it doesn't fall everywhere or anything like that. You just have to be careful when you open it. I'm gonna take the other side of this sponge and put like about this much on there and just press it in. I press in the powder, and I use pound cake because that concealer is spot on, but just in case, I kind of go in with a lighter powder so it can give me a natural lift. It's not like a brightening thing, and I'm going in like, I dipped in like 2-3 times, but I keep going until it melts in. I don't necessarily bake. I just keep going until that, see the difference? This is a little bit more dewy. And then this side is nice and it's not matte. It's just like perfect. It looks like skin, y'all. This combination is, ooh. Even if you start off like this, I'm not necessarily baking because I'm going to keep on going until I blend everything in. And that's that. And then I'm going to, what the hell happened over here? Did I just pat something over there? I didn't even see what happened. Okay, let me just do this. There we go. I gotta look back at the tape. I get a white patch right there. Anyway, the rest of the concealer, I just set it the same with this. I don't do extras because I don't want these areas to be highlighted or nothing. That's it. That's it. All that's left is lashes and some lip. So the lashes that I'm going to use are from AliExpress. Are they from AliExpress? I think so. There's some little baby ones, but I want to keep everything natural. So it's a quick look, but I'm going to show y'all the lashes. Super natural. Nothing too much. Okay, nothing too much. So to apply these lashes, I am going to use the Haus Labs. This This eyelash glue is a boom. It's like my favorite one. It does the trick. You can get it at Target, you can get it at Ulta. It's really, really, really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these. And then like depending on like what I'm going for, sometimes I'll like put a little bronzer on, because right now to some of y'all this may look like a flat look, but remember we're trying to stay natural. I can put just a little bit of bronzer on the cheeks. I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place medium palette, and I'm probably gonna go with, I don't want to be too warm, I'm probably gonna go with this one right here, because I don't want to look sun-kissed or nothing. I just wanted to warm my face back up a little bit while these lashes dry. So I'm going with just this one up here, literally just a little bit. This is literally just to put some, and you're not gonna really tell. I can use medium and I can use tan. Medium is like, see, you barely see that. It's just so slight. It's so subtle, because remember, we don't want to look like we're wearing nothing on our face. We want to keep this like an everyday, quick, flawless, I'm not really wearing no makeup type of look. So it just adds a little warmth, just a little bit. And then let's see what we looking like on time. What we looking like on time? 11 minutes. Perfect. Trying to get it under 15. I told y'all 10 to 15, but I am talking, so y'all gotta spare me a couple minutes, okay? So we're gonna take these lashes and just pop these on really quick. Perfect. The lashes usually take the longest to do. Seriously, I'd be like, ugh, come on lash, don't fail me. Boom. Okay, put on another one. That worked out great. Let's just make sure, let's just hope this one do the same thing. Come on. Uh-oh. Nope. See, that's that shit I'm talking about. Okay. Sometimes the lashes can take longer than the actual makeup look, because you know you want to like place them to where there's no gaps and stuff. And sometimes I'll be struggling with these dang lashes, and it'd be like, come on, like this could take like an additional 5 minutes if you're not good at applying your lashes. Or if you already got lashes on, then guess what, honey, you in the game. So I'm just taking matte cork, because it's like a nice nudie. I start at the bottom because sometimes I can overline. I don't like that. Just depends on what look I'm going for. And then I'm gonna take some e.l.f. lip plumping gloss in the shade Pink Paloma. Yeah. And that's that. What's the minutes? What's the minutes? We did it exactly at 15, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna stop it. 15, baby. Ooh. So yes, that is like literally all I do. Like, and that just gives me like a little judge, literally, when I just want to look presentable. Girl, that's it. Brows, lashes, concealer, a little bit of bronzer, and a lip. And like I said, you don't necessarily have to wear foundation. You can add foundation if you need it. That's a need basis. But it's more like, if you do have a little bit of blemishes, just cover it up with a little bit of concealer, because then you're gonna still look like you're not wearing anything, especially when you keep it very, very simple. As y'all can see, like, this is as simple as it's gonna get, okay? But yet it just like this whole look, even though it's only a 15-minute look, and mine, don't forget and keep in mind, I was talking to y'all and I struggle with my lashes for a little bit. So when I say 10 to 15 minutes, like, I literally can get this done in 10 minutes if I'm just focusing, and that's that. That's all you need. So yeah, I hope y'all did enjoy this video. So I'm gonna get on with my filming, and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know how y'all feel about this. Like, do y'all use more? Because everybody's routine is different based on their skincare needs or based on how they want to look. But if you want a simple look and you don't want to look like you're doing too much, that's all you need, baby. Like, you can go from 0 to 100 really quick and simple. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, you guys, I will catch y'all in the next video.